It was a hot summer afternoon in Kolkata. The temperature was around 42 degrees Celsius and the humidity level must be around 96% or something. Unfortunately, amidst this unbearable heat wave, there was a power failure in my house since morning. After my usual complaining, fretting, and the complaint stuff, I went to the balcony hoping to get some relief maybe. Suddenly, my eyes caught hold of a man who seemed to be nearly 60 years old. He was carrying a stock of around 100 toys on his shoulders and he was walking down the street trying to sell them. It was extremely hot. He stopped, he had a sip of water, and again started his work. I think that moment there was a deep realization which I had that how often do I take things for granted and forget to just express my gratitude for the smallest little things I have in my life. Before I had this realization, now when I look back, I see that my life was so full of complaints. I mean, I didn't even realize them, but whole day long I was only and only complaining for things which was not even in my control. I used to wake up with a complaint that, oh God, again 6 a.m. and my alarm clock is ringing. I have to wake up. I need to wake up my kids. I need to make breakfast for them. My husband is so lucky that he's getting to sleep. In fact, coming out of my bed, I used to go into the kitchen and start cribbing and looking at my staff working. Everything was like about complaints and complaints and complaints, and this went on the entire day. I used to like mindlessly eat my food, mindlessly say things are not made good, mindlessly feel I start feeling so uncomfortable in my under my own skin. And now after I realize this, I feel that what was I doing throughout my life? What was happening? The more my life was full of complaints, the more and more of complaints I was just attracting in my life, and there was nothing that would change, nothing at all. In fact, the complaints would only increase and increase and increase each day. So then now I realize that how important it is to actually show our gratitude for everything in our daily lives. Here's a small tip which changed my life and which I want to share with you today. Every night before going to bed, just list down any three things during the day which you are extremely grateful for. It need not be very, very big things. It can be as small as just calling up a friend or hugging your child. But please list it down and you will see the effect immediately. In 1 week's time, you'll start feeling the change in your life. And also introspect each day the amount of complaints you have been making and try to cut them short daily, each day. Take a determination that today I will live a day, just one day. I request you all to live without complaints and you will see the magnificent effect. Thank you so much.